The Council of Higher Secondary Education has rolled out tight security measures for the Plus 2 examinations, dispatching question papers across Odisha using specially monitored vehicles. CHSE Chairman Mrinal Kanti Das said that multiple vehicles have been deployed to ensure safe delivery of question papers to the districts across Odisha, including remote regions. More vehicles are set to be dispatched to complete the process. This year, over 4 lakh students will appear for the exams, which will be conducted across hundreds of centers statewide from February 18 to March 28. For the first time, advanced AI-powered cameras have been installed to monitor examination centers and detect any suspicious activity. A dedicated command center has also been set up to oversee the process. In addition, GPS tracking systems have been installed in all vehicles transporting the question papers, allowing authorities to monitor their movement in real time. Officials say these steps are aimed at ensuring transparency, preventing malpractice, and conducting the examinations in a fair and secure manner across the state.
आमर 27 रूट्रे गाड़ी जावाई व्यवस्था होती आज आसंता काली ए गाड़ी गुड़िक विभिन्न आमर परीक्षा परिचालना केन्द्र गुड़ी को जीवे प्रश्नपत्र सह एवं सबुठी आमर एआई कैमेरा रो व्यवस्था कराई कौन प्रकार संदेहजनक दृष्टिगति आमर दृष्टिगोचर हेले ताहले से दिगरे विहित कार्यानुष्ठान ग्रहण कर कहीं आमर ये कमांड सेंटर CHSE तरफ खोल जाइए।